Let's be real, most productivity tips suck. You've tried them all and here you are procrastinating on YouTube. But don't worry, I'm not here to waste your time. Today we're breaking down why most advice fails, and more importantly, what actually works. First up, the one-size-fits-all trap. You know those tips that promise to turn you into a productivity machine? Yeah, they're like those one-size-fits-all t-shirts. Technically they fit, but they look ridiculous. Productivity isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. What works for your hyper-organized friend might not work for you. So instead of forcing yourself into someone else's routine, tweak those tips to fit your style. You do you. Next, let's talk about motivation. The flaky friend who only shows up when it's convenient. Here's the truth, motivation is a liar. It's discipline that does the heavy lifting. Think of discipline as the friend who shows up at 6 a.m. with coffee and a workout plan. Build habits that stick, and you won't need to wait around for motivation to grace you with its presence. Let's bust the multitasking myth, shall we? Multitasking is like trying to juggle flaming torches while riding a unicycle. It looks cool until everything crashes and burns. You're not actually getting more done. You're just doing multiple things poorly. The real productivity hack: focus on one thing at a time, crush it, then move on to the next. No flames, no unicycles, just results. Now let's talk small wins. Ever notice how crossing off a tiny task feels like winning the lottery? That's because small wins are magical. They build momentum and keep you going, even when the big goals feel overwhelming. So don't underestimate the power of those tiny victories. They add up to something huge. So next time you're drowning in productivity tips that don't work, remember, one size doesn't fit all. Motivation is overrated, and multitasking is a scam. Focus on what really matters and you'll see the results. If you're ready to level up your productivity game, hit that subscribe button. Let's get stuff done. Without the BS,